Two trains A and B, each 400 meters long, run on parallel tracks at the same speed, 20 meters per second. Train A is ahead. The driver of B decides to overtake and speeds up at 1 meter per second square. 50 seconds later, the guard of B just brushes past the driver of A. What was the original distance between them? Solution coming in 3, 2, 1. Let's mark distance between guard of train B and driver of train A. Gap between both the train is x and length of both the trains are 400 meters. So initial distance between guard of train B and driver of train A is equal to x plus 800. Let's see what happened in 50 seconds and try to find out distance covered by guard of train B and driver of train A. First, driver of train B must cover the gap to meet guard of train A. Then a moment will come when both the trains are aligned. Due to acceleration, train B will pass train A and guard of train B will brush past the driver of train A. Total time taken is 50 seconds. Now let's find the distance covered of guard train B using equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Acceleration of train B is 1 meter per second square. Total time is 50 seconds. Put values and solve the equation. Distance covered by guard of train B in 50 seconds is 2,250 meters. Using same equation, we can find distance covered by driver of train A. Acceleration of train A is 0. Put values and distance is equal to 1000 meters. If we subtract both the distances, we get initial distance between guard of train B and driver of train A. So, x plus 800 is equal to 2250 minus 1000. Solve this and you will get x is equal to 450. Hence, initial distance between both the trains was 450 meters.